Alright, YouTube, here we go. Never used this camera before for this, so let's see if the audio is okay. I don't know. Alright, so it comes in this beat up box from eBay. Catback exhaust. That's what we're putting it on. We got the 6.0. Alright. Everything was like all together, and like I was worried it was going to be all banged up, but it really don't seem to be that scratched or whatever. Man, this camera looks dirty. Okay, so the tips and stuff that'll hang out are packaged pretty good, so we're gonna get it slapped on there and see what it sounds like. All right, the stock. Alright YouTube, I tried my best to not cut up the stock exhaust removing it in case I hated it, but it's time for the Sawzall because this will not come out of there. Nope, it's stuck, so only by a couple inches. I think the longer version of the Escalade it's possible. Alright, here's the old big hunk of junk. I had to chop it off there, make a pit, and here we have the Chinatown special. Oh yeah, didn't come with any instructions on which pipe goes where. Looks like this pipe here has to go on the right, and then I'm guessing, I don't know, we're just gonna see. These both have hangers in different spots, so I'm just gonna put it under there and I guess until I get it right. Alright, so the clamps they send you, they're big enough for the rest of the pipes, but they're not big enough for this one. So I had to drill this guy out some to make that fit. Alright, I gotta go buy another clamp because it didn't come with one, or a rubber bushing mount, whatever. It helped pulling the spare down. This side was much easier. So you see, it's hotter than a hoochie coochie out here, boys and girls. It does look shiny now. Ooh yeah. I didn't mean to zoom in. Oh yeah. Nice. Fill a bathtub full of sweat right now. Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna start her up. Honestly, I think it sounds pretty good. It's not obnoxiously loud. I was kind of afraid of that, and it don't sound like I got glass packs on there, so that's good. Yep. Okay guys, so instead of that clamp, what I ended up doing was I just welded those two together and it came out perfect. Looks real good. Okay, go ahead and start it. Sounds real deep. Okay.